Okay, oh my god, excuse me. That's a lovely way to fucking start a recording. Trimming is done. And man, is it ever windy out here. Holy shit. I missed the spot. And I missed all that. Motherfucker. Alright, redo. The trimming. Man, is it ever windy out here. Fuck. Get off. Put my phone down. I'm uploading this video too, so yeah, fuck it. Ugh. This is gonna be very, very difficult to hold my phone and trim. This is breaking my fucking wrist. I'm gonna get it with the lawnmower. Alright. This is done. Now I gotta start that lawnmower now. Ugh! And then it's gonna be a different video, okay? Bye for now. Peace.